Everything begins with an idea. Whatever we plant in our subconscious mind and nourish with repetition and emotion will one day become a reality. Success is the progressive realization of a worthy goal. Most people do not achieve any great success in their life not through lack of wanting, but through lack of goals. Without clear direction, you will end up in the wrong section. Without a clear target to hit, you will miss the mark every time. Your goals are your target. They give you something meaningful to aim for in the life. Having meaningful goals gives your life the challenges it needs. People with goals succeed because they know where they are going, and when they get there, they can be proud as they know they earned their place with deliberate intentions. We are all self-made, but only the successful will admit it. People are where they are because that is exactly where they really want to be, whether they will admit that or not. You are where you are because of your decisions. If you don't like where you are, you must take better actions. If your convictions are bleak, if you believe that you are destined to be broke and miserable, your subconscious mind will help you out by finding circumstances to back up your convictions. On the other hand, if you plant strong seeds in your mind, seeds of faith, belief, and strength, if you truly believe that you will succeed, your mind will get to work and find circumstances and resources to aid you in becoming successful. We can let circumstances rule us, or we can take charge and rule our lives from within. We tend to live up to our expectations. A great attitude does much more than turn on the lights in our worlds. It seems to magically connect us to all sort of opportunities that we somehow absent before the change. Our environment, the world in which we live and work, is a mirror of our attitudes and expectations. Our attitude towards others determines their attitude towards us. Cultivating a positive attitude starts first with intention. You set the intention for the kind of person you wish to become. The roadmap and the courage to press on to your destination. Your problem is to bridge the gap which exists between where you are now and the goal you intend to reach. Wherever there is danger, there lurks opportunity. Whenever there is opportunity, there lurks danger. The two are inseparable. You can measure opportunity within the same yardstick that measures the risk involved. Opportunities around every corner, but there aren't many people willing to turn that corner. Then ask yourself, what is more risky? Never trying and forever living in regret. Failure is inevitable. There's not a single successful person who is alive or dead that never failed. One thing they would never do through is let an opportunity pass them by, no matter the risk. Problems are challenges to creative minds. Without problems, there would be little reason to think at all. Don't call them problems, call them challenges and find solutions. Don't let the fears of the time it will take to accomplish something stand in the way of your doing it. The same time will pass anyway. We might just as well put that passing time to the best possible use. Learn to enjoy every minute of your life. Be happy Now, don't wait for something outside of yourself to make you happy in the future. Think how really precious is the time you have to spend. We are at our very best and we are happiest when we are fully engaged in work. We enjoy on the journey towards the goals we have established for ourselves and give meaning to our time off and comfort to our sleep. Happiness doesn't come from things. It doesn't come from money or success or buying things or having thousands of followers on social media. Real happiness can only ever come from meaning. That is something you create in your life through meaningful pursuit the goals you are working towards, the intention you have to serve others. What can you create that will benefit others? How can you best serve the world? Ask yourself these questions and you will be one step closer to true abundance in every sense of the word.